Hi guys, welcome back and welcome to another Caterham consumer advice video going through the McDonald's drive-thru in your Caterham. Plenty of pointers. First of all, you might have to pull the window down to talk to the people at the booth.
Can I take your order?
Hello, yes please, can I have a latte please and a double cheeseburger?
Anything else?
That's it, thank you.
Try around to mix it better.
Thank you. The other thing you've got to do, which I've just realised, is my wallet is in my pocket, which I can't get to. So I've got to twist in the seat, get my wallet out, and then drive around to the window. Now, when you get round to the window, it's a bit tricky because the shelf is like up here, so you can either reach over the window, which isn't the easiest, or open the door, which makes it a lot easier, or if you get really excited, just take your door off. There you go, chuck it in the footwell.
Hi there.
Hello. Yes please. Thank you very much. Indeed. Lovely, thank you. And then embarrassingly, I was so far away from the window because I was mucking around with getting my wallet out that she had to move the card machine to me. Fail. Come on, it's getting a bit stinky with this door off. All the exhaust fumes are bouncing off the curb. There we go, I'll get a bit closer to the window now. Hello, thank you. No, not for me, thank you. Lovely, thank you, have a good day. And then what I've just realised is I've ordered a coffee, so only ever go through the drive-thru in your Caterham if you're going to order like a water or an orange juice, because it's got no cup holders. So I'm going to have to park up anyway. Oh, what a fail. Definitely not getting out. Good coffee though. Thanks for watching guys, please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you on the next one. Probably put this door back on. Bosh. Love a double.